Hello, tutorial shows you how to enter BIOS Windows 10, recommended way to enter BIOS. Steps in tutorial. Access BIOS by multiple ways. First, enter BIOS using shortcut, easy and fast way Windows 10. Second, how to enter BIOS from Windows 10 settings. Third, enter BIOS by holding down the Shift key until the computer restarts. Fourth, access BIOS setup via hotkey. Step 1. Enter BIOS using shortcut, easy and fast way Windows 10. To create a shortcut to enter BIOS, we need to use the Windows shutdown command. So, first of all, let's see command details. Open Windows command prompt and type shutdown /?. Hit enter. So, if we type /r after shutdown command, it's full shutdown and restarts the computer. Next, we need /fw, combined with the shutdown option, to cause the next boot to go to the firmware user interface. Okay, let's create a new shortcut. Right-click on the desktop. Select New. And choose Shortcut. Type shutdown, space, /r, space /fw. Click Next. Enter the name of the shortcut, I name it Enter BIOS. And click Finish, to create the Enter BIOS button. Then we need to make some important changes in Enter BIOS shortcut. Right-click on Enter BIOS, and go to Properties. Make sure you are in Shortcut tab. And click on Advanced. Check the Run as Administrator checkbox. And click OK. Optionally, you can also change the Enter BIOS icon. Okay, the Enter BIOS button is ready to use. Let's check it out. Okay, in a couple of seconds we will enter the BIOS. Easy, just one click, and we are in the BIOS. Don't worry, the interface is different, because this is a virtual machine. Okay, I'll go back to Windows 10. You can also enter BIOS by typing the same command in the Windows command prompt. But you should run the Windows command prompt as an administrator. Okay, if you want to cancel Windows task, just type shutdown, space, -a. You can also type cancellation command in the Windows search box, no problem. Step 2, how to enter BIOS from Windows 10 settings. Click on Windows icon, and go to Settings. Click on Update and Security. Then go to Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Click Troubleshoot. Go to Advanced Options. Click UEFI Firmware Settings. And click Restart to enter BIOS. Okay, we are in BIOS, using Windows 10 settings. Let's go back to Windows. Step 3. Enter BIOS, by holding down the Shift key, until the computer restarts. Press and hold the Shift key on the keyboard, and then restart the computer. Continue to hold down Shift, until the blue screen with the Choose an option appears on your computer. Click Troubleshoot. Go to Advanced Options. Click UEFI Firmware Settings. And click Restart, to enter BIOS. OK, we are in BIOS, using Shift key. Let's go back to Windows. Step 4. Access BIOS setup, via hotkey. Turn the PC off, and on again, or restart the computer, and use the boot key, BIOS function key to enter the BIOS. The right moment is between powering on the computer, and before booting the operating system. So, immediately and repeatedly press your BIOS function key. Most modern motherboards use the Del key, F2, or F12, it depends on the manufacturer. Sometimes, the computer screen displays a message that indicates BIOS function key. On this example it's a Del key. So, before booting Windows, I have to press the Del key several times, to enter BIOS. OK, we are in BIOS, using BIOS function key. At the end of the tutorial, I have compiled a list of computer and laptop manufacturers, with their respective BIOS keys. Thanks for watching. If that sounds like something that could help you, then make sure to join me, subscribe to my channel with notification, and be the first who get more great tips and tricks.